often talk about that the simplest things make the biggest impact on your beautiful meal. And one of those simple side dishes that you can always make at a moment's notice is a roasted vegetable, a simple, slow roasted vegetable. I'm going to show you how to do scallions, ginger, garlic, and chilies, and it's going to be amazing. Slow and low on a 350 oven, preheated always, maybe an hour, maybe a little bit more. Just sort of eyeball it, and you're going to toss it a couple of times in the middle of all of that cooking. A 2-quart baker, shallow, scallions that you've cleaned. We're just going to cut off the little hairy things because I don't like to look at them. You don't have to, but that's me. And we're going to trim them down. Doesn't matter that they're going to stick over the edge like this, because as they cook, they're going to wilt and go down. Half a cup of olive oil. We're just going to drizzle that right over the top, just like that. Kosher salt, because you know I always talk about kosher salt and how it's not quite as salty as regular table salt, so you can control it better. This is about 2 inches of ginger that I've just sliced thinly. You peel. Always use the back of a spoon when you slice ginger. It just makes it easier. We're going to now just toss this a little bit, just sort of to get the olive oil and the salt mixed in there and the ginger at the bottom a little bit. You don't have to be particular, trust me. It's not that precious. We're going to put a half a head of garlic. Notice the paper's still on. And we're going to put it in cut side down so that the face of the garlic is in that oil, and it's going to flavor the oil as it cooks. You're just going to tuck it in like that. A couple of the dried arbol chilies, because spice is always a lovely thing. And then it's just going to go just like that into your preheated 350-degree oven. See? And that's where it's going to sit and live for about an hour. So I sure wish there was a scratch and sniff for this, because the roasted scallions, ginger, garlic, and the beautiful chilies smell amazing. So it's been in the oven about an hour. This isn't really rocket science, but it's about an hour. I've tossed it 2 to 3 times in the middle of all of that, and you can see those scallions are roasted down. They're all nice and juicy and soft. If it were me, I'd take that garlic, put it on a cheese or charcuterie board, use it to spread on some baguette. I'm going to let these scallions cool just a few minutes, and that's when you toss the rice vinegar in. Then you can serve it as a side dish on any protein. A simple grilled meat, it would be delicious. Or if you want, let them cool completely, throw them onto a salad. That's roasted scallions.